If you're going to be in water damage restoration, you need to know what you're doing. There's not a license that you get to do water damage restoration. Does that make sense? But there are certifications. Some of your states may mandate you do this or that. For instance, most every state will make you take a test to be a plumber. That's a state mandated test. As far as I know, there aren't any state mandated tests for water damage restoration. There are a few states that make you get a license for mold, but not for water damage. It's your responsibility to find out what you need to do business in that state. But what I want to share with you is there are certifications on what you need to do to know what you're doing. It's not that you can't start a business without doing those. It's not illegal. It's just not smart. Hey, if you would like for me to help you grow your company, go to workwithshane.com, put in your information, book a 15-minute free call. We'll see you there.